Strange sounds have set the neighborhood dogs off. My cool dog's watching. Whoa, what the heck was that? Did I see an orb? Something like that float on by? I'll have to watch that back. The hell? A few days ago, we heard some weird sounds like chatter and saw shadow people. Caught some of that on video. That was a weird sound. Well, once again, weird stuff in South Carolina. Another day of strange movement and weird sounds. If you see anything in this video I missed, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog. And we'll be back with another video when the weird stuff starts. Like ever, dudes.